Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a very fast, lightweight editor which is open source, and for Mac developers, it's an IDE similar to VS Code, and it's currently in development mode. So this is the website CodeEdit.app, and I personally tried it. It's completely fast as compared to VS Code. So if you just write here CodeEdit.app, or you can simply go to Google as well. Simply type here CodeEdit.app. So this will be the specifically it's for Mac operating system only. So it's only for Mac users, it doesn't work on Windows. So this is the page here. It's completely open source, similar to VS Code, but it feels like really fast. Whenever you click the download button, install it inside your Mac machine. So simply click the download button and this file will get downloaded, and now you can simply install this. It will give you this DMG file right here. The size is, as you can see, it's only 33.5 megabytes as compared to VS Code, which is way more larger. And basically it has all the features. It's a nice little interface as well. You can basically check out what's new inside this. This is the screenshot of this editor. Minimap, line folding, height interface, autosave, stability, all the features that VS Code has, it also does have. So the thing is that it is completely open source, and you can check out their GitHub page as well. So these are the latest version, which is 0.3.5, which is released on July 10th, 2025. So if you want to check out their GitHub page, this is the actual GitHub page. You can look at their source code as well, and they do offer the dark mode as well. If you like the dark mode, you can check out the dark mode as well. So I think majority of the Mac developers must be switching from. So as you can see, it also is a great alternative to tools like Xcode, and which is code. Xcode is basically a very popular editor among Mac developers to create applications. So definitely check out if you are looking for an alternative to Xcode or VS Code. So this will be a great editor for you, lightweight. So just type here code edit on Google. This will be the code editor which comes right here. It's definitely check out this. Simply install it and start using it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.